There are many problems faced by new immigrants in the UK. So today I'll address one of the problems which is faced by students and dependent visa holders when they move to the UK. And I know many of you are facing the same problem now, which is poor credit history in the UK or no credit history at all as you are new to this country. So how to tackle this problem? Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can build credit history in the UK for new immigrants. Let's first understand what credit history is and why is it important for every immigrant. Well, a credit history is a record of your financial transactions such as loans, credit cards, and bills. Lenders use your credit history to assess your credit worthiness, which is their estimate of how likely you are to repay a loan. A good credit history can help you get a mortgage, car loan, or a credit card with a good interest rate. It can also help you rent an apartment or get a job as well. So if you are a new immigrant and want to know how to build your credit history in the UK, make sure to watch the video till the end as I will be giving you some tips which will help you start building your credit history. And also, I'll give you tips on avoiding some common mistakes. Hello guys, I'm Sarika and welcome to Your Knowledge Buddy. My today's agenda is to first discuss about credit report and then we will talk about different points on how to build your credit score. Without any further delay, let's begin with agenda 1, which is understanding the credit report. A credit report is a document that contains information about your credit history, such as your loans, credit cards, and bills. It also includes your credit score, which is a number that lenders use to assess your credit worthiness. You can get a copy of your credit report from each of the three main credit reference agencies in the UK, and they are Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You can request a copy of your credit report for free once a year from each agency. Agenda 2. Now let's discuss two things which you can do to build credit history in the UK as a new immigrant. Point 1. Open bank account in the UK. Having a bank account shows stability and over time your banking history can positively impact your credit rating. But is it really easy for immigrants to open bank account in the UK? Well, I know most of the dependent visa holders and students face major issues in the UK, including my husband. Since they don't have any job offer when they land here, the bank applications are rejected by many banks in the UK as they don't have any credit history. A couple of years back, we didn't have app-based mobile digital banks like Monzo, Revolt, iFast, Global Banks, etc. Such banks completely disrupted the UK market now and helped millions of immigrants. So today I'm going to tell you how you can open a bank account even before landing in the UK via iFast Global Bank, which is a fully licensed UK digital bank. It is part of iFast Corporation Limited, a company that is headquartered and publicly listed in Singapore. One of the biggest benefits is that you can open a multi-currency international bank account even before coming to the UK. Yes, that's right. So September intake students or even people coming on dependent visa, make sure you take advantage of it. With this UK digital bank, you don't have to deal with long queues or paperwork. Just a few clicks and you're good to go.
And guess what? You do not need to provide a UK address proof or a biometric residence permit BRP if you are not in the UK. You can use a passport or Aadhaar card as your identity proof. What's more, you earn attractive interest rates on your savings account, no minimum balance, no account opening and annual charges, and your deposits are insured.
Day savings account in 6 currencies provide attractive interest rates, GBP at 4% and USD at 3.5%. In addition, you can benefit from the bank's referral program. For every bank account opened through your referral, you and the referee earn £5 if the referee deposits £500 for at least 3 months. So you can use my referral link, which I generated via Tell a Friend. You can use this link for your friends, family to open an account so that both of you and I can earn the referral fee. Point number 2, get a mobile phone contract. A mobile phone contract is another type of credit agreement that can help you build your credit history. Make sure you pay your bills on time and in full, and your mobile phone provider will report your payment history to the credit reference agency. agencies. Point number 3, set up a direct debit for your bills like for your council tax, broadband, gas, and electricity. Paying your bills on time is one of the most important things you can do to build your credit history in the UK. Lenders want to see that you can make your payment on time. So setting up a direct debit for your bills is a great way to show them that you are responsible. Point number 4, registering on the electoral roll. First thing first, make sure you're registered on the electoral roll. This is a simple step that shows lenders you are a responsible citizen. When you register to vote, you provide a stable address, which gives lenders confidence that you are living at a fixed location. Now, point number 5, apply for a credit builder card and spend only 30% of your limit. A credit builder card is a type of credit card that is designed for people with no credit history. These cards typically have a low credit limit and high interest rates, but they can help you start building your credit history in the UK. Once you have a credit card, it's important to use it responsibly. Make small purchases and pay them off in full and on time. This shows lenders that you can manage credit responsibly. Point number 6, become a guarantor for someone else. If you know someone who's applying for a loan or credit card, you can become their guarantor. This means that you agree to pay back the loan if they don't. Becoming a guarantor can help the other person get approved for the loan, and it can also help you build your credit history. Now, point number 7, building a positive rental history. Your rental history can also contribute to your credit profile. When you pay your rent on time, some credit reference agencies may include this information in your credit report, boosting your credit worthiness. So, before I conclude today's video, I want to say that avoiding some common mistakes like missing payments, applying for multiple credit cards at once, and maxing out your credit limit can negatively impact your credit score. So just be careful. Building credit history takes time and effort, but it's worth in the long run. By following the tips in this video, you can start building your credit history and improve your chances of getting a mortgage, car loan, or credit card with a good interest rate. Just a few more additional tips before I wrap. It's important to check your credit report regularly for errors. If you find any errors, you should dispute them with the credit reference agency. And number 2, use a credit monitoring service. A credit monitoring service can help you keep track of your credit report and alert you to any changes. This can help you identify any potential problems early on. So on that note, thanks for watching my video till the end, and best of luck on your credit building journey. I'll see you guys soon with my next video. Till then, keep learning.